Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful hat with just scraps of ribbon and picks you might have laying around. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire. I'm just going to fold it in half, and I'm just going to make it long enough so that when it is folded in half, it's going to fit right down the center of my Bowdabra. Just going to tuck the ends underneath to keep them out of my way. The next thing that I'm going to do is take this piece of ribbon. It's just like a 4-inch wide, and all I'm using here are scraps that I maybe used for other projects or end of the roll ribbons that you really think you wouldn't have anything to use them for, but actually that's not true, because we're going to turn this absolutely beautiful. So now I've got these little picks, and we just taped them all together, and we're just going to lay those down into the Bowdabra. Then I have another piece of my ribbon, and we're just going to scrunch that down. And so I love this because, okay, now I'm going to take the right side of my ribbon and put that down and scrunch that in. Then I'm going to come back around, take the right side of my ribbon and scrunch that in, then go to the center and scrunch that in. Before I forget, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Bowdabra Today, and also follow us on Facebook. So here's the right side of my ribbon. I'm just going to put that down, fold it back, and this isn't a wired ribbon. This was just some scraps of grosgrain that we had. I'm just going to lay those down in here. I'm going to do the same thing here. This is the right side, so I'm going to put that side down, fold it back over, again take the right side. So this is just a great way to upcycle your ribbon. And then I have this piece here, which kind of matches our little peacock theme, and it also matches the ribbon that I wrapped around the hat. So I'm just going to take my Bowdabra wand and scrunch everything down and bring this back up here, pull this through my slip knot and pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends, I think, and now bring them around to the back and tie a knot, and I'm going to double knot it. And then I have my hat that I've already tied onto the back, this ribbon here. And now I'm going to take my bow and I'm going to tie this onto the hat, find my wire. And so I'm going to just bring this underneath, and I'm going to bring this here, and we're just going to tie a knot, and I'm going to double knot it. Actually, I'm going to triple knot it. And then I'm just going to clip the ends. And now we're just going to shape the bow. So we're going to bring our tails over here, bring this tail down over here, and kind of twist the bow there, so that's there. And I'm just going to separate out all of my loops and bring this tail down here, bring this tail down, and bring that down there. And again, bring this one around. But and the reason that I like to do this while it's on the hat is because then I get it shaped exactly how I want it. So I'm going to bring this down here and bring that around and just kind of move this there. And you have this really, really pretty and super simple to make hat that literally cost the hat, which was from the dollar store, and scraps of ribbon. Where can you get something nicer? If you bought it in the store, you'd pay a fortune. So thanks so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe or follow button below, and we'll see you in the next video.